Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all? Welcome to the fourth day of week. Which week is this? It's week 20, fourth day of week 20. And which lesson is this? Yes, again, it's your literacy class, and here I am, your literacy teacher, right? Now, as you all know, it's the fourth day, and today is the last day in which you are going to learn something. Because tomorrow, that is the fifth day, you will have a class test. You know that, right? And you will have a class test of everything that we have done in this whole week. Yes, so you should be revising. I hope you all are revising whatever we are doing throughout the week. You all are revising that side by side. Aren't you all revising? Yes? Wow, that's great. Very good task. So, coming back to the lesson, this is your literacy class, and today we are going to learn something that is related to grammar part of yours. It is very, very important, as I have already explained to you, that grammar is very important in literacy. It is very, very, it helps you in this class, in other classes, everywhere in life it's going to help. So grammar plays a very important part. Okay, so whatever we do every day in the class, after the class, you do the homework and you revise whatever we have done in the class and on that day. So that even once you are revising, once you are recapping everything, whatever we have done, then you will not have any issue during the exam. During the examination days, you will not be having any problem since you have already revised whatever we have done. All right. So now I'm going to read out few things for you, and you are going to answer the questions. Now read this question, this with me. A toy kite flies in the air. A toy kite flies in the air. Now what is this actually? It's a sentence, and how a sentence is written? It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Very good. Okay. Now another sentence. We love to play. We love to play. Again, it's a sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. This is our new class. This is our new class. Okay. I like wild animals. I like wild animals. Again, what is this? It's a simple sentence. It's telling something that I like wild animals. So all these sentences that I have read just now, they were telling sentences. They were telling you something. So they starts with capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Full stop is like this, as you already know that, right? Okay. Now, let's see what I have here. Read it with me. Where are you going? Where are you going? What is this? What this sentence is doing? Yes, it's asking you something, that where are you going? So it's an asking sentence. It's a question, right? Where are you going? It's asking something, so it's a question. So again, how a sentence or question written? It starts with a capital letter and ended with what? Does it end with a full stop? No, it ends with a question mark. It ends with a question mark at the end. Correct. Okay. Now, next sentence, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Again, what is this? It's an asking sentence, so it's a question. And at the end, we will have put a question mark. How old are you? Again, it's asking something, so again, it's a question, right? So these were different questions that I have asked you, that I have shown you. So remember, whether it's a simple sentence, whether it's a sentence, it always starts with a capital letter. Whether it's a simple sentence, whether it's an asking sentence, it always starts with a capital letter. And if a sentence is an asking sentence, it will end with a question mark. But if it's a telling sentence, it's going to end with a full stop. That's a period. So you know what's the difference between these two? If a sentence, it's a telling sentence and asking sentence. So now when I have shown you these questions, what can you tell me? What was the first word in this sentence? Where. So what is where actually? Where are you going? Is asking. So where is a question word. What is where? Where is a question word. Again, what do you like to eat? Which is the first word? What. And what is what again? It's a question word. It's asking you something. So it's a what is a question word. And over here, how old are you? What is how? How is a question word. So this is what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn the question words. What are actually the question words? Now these words will help you understand how to ask questions. Now, like I have already explained you these two words and this word. What is this? Can you read with me? Do. Do is also a question word. What is do? Do is a question word. How will you make a sentence with do? Do is a question word. Do. Okay? Now, another word. This is why. Why? It's also a question word because it is also going to ask something. Why? Okay? So, another question word is why. Next. Could. Could. Could is also a question word. Okay. Now this we have already done. Where. Where is a question word. Where. Got it? Now, the next, it's another question word which you have already done just now. I have shown you the sentence. How. How. Okay? How. All right. Okay. Another question word. When. When tells you the time. When. Okay. Another question word is when. Right. Why, do, why, could, where, how, and when. So children, these were the different question words that help you in asking questions. Now let's see how you are going to make questions while using these question words. Will you help me that in making questions? Yes? Great. All right, there you go. We are going to write few questions now. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Great. Great job. All right, the first one is do. So my question would be, do you like to eat? Do you like to eat ice cream? Do you like to eat an ice cream? You like to eat an ice cream? This is one question. Now the other question is why. Come on, tell me what will I make a sentence? How I am going to write the question? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? It's an asking question. Good. Would you help me please? Again, it's a question, so we are going to write the question mark at the end of the sentence. Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? How? How old are you? Right? How old are you? When? When, again, it's, remember I have told you, it tells you about the time. Okay, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? So see, we have written, we have made questions with all these question words that do. The first one was do. So our question is, do you like to eat an ice cream? The second is why. Why are you crying? Third, could you help me please? Fourth, where? Where do you live? Fifth, how old are you? Sixth, when? When is your birthday? So these are all asking questions. These are all the question words and the sentences which we have made. So you understood what's the difference between a simple sentence and asking sentence and what are the question words. So always remember that do, why, could, where, how, when, these are the question word. Most of the question words, they start with WH, but not all the question words, they start with that. Okay, now is the time for you, the class task. Now open page number 92 and 93 of your lesson English. Now these are all words we use in question. Why, where, when, what, who. Okay, now who was left? So we'll just write down who also over here. You can make a sentence like this. Who do you like the best? Okay. So who is another question word which was left out. Now all these question words begin with the letter WH. Now the question words which begin with the letter WH are why, WH, WH, and WH. And one more word is what. What are you doing today? Or what are you going to do today? Right? So these are all the question words. And in your book, they have given the question words that have WH letters, right? The words which starts with W only. So what are those words? These are 5 of them: why, where, when, what, and who. Okay, so you have to put these words in these blanks. Okay, I'm not going to explain you. You will do it yourself, and later on we are going to check them. Okay, so you just have to put one word. So it's not much task. So for that, I'm going to give you 6 minutes, and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Let's check out what you have done. The first one, Dash found the eggs. Yes, who found the eggs? The second one, dash are you going? Where are you going? Very good. Dash, dash is the bus. Where is the bus? Okay, fourth one, dash will you buy at the market? What will you buy at the market? Okay, fifth one, dash will you buy the eggs? The dash will buy the eggs. See, these two sentences are confusing. The first one, dash will you buy at the market? What will you buy at the market? The second one, dash will buy the eggs. Who will buy the eggs? Correct. Now the sixth one, dash time will you be home? What time will you be home? Correct. So that means that today's task was the question words, and you have done all the question words. You have done more than 5 question words, although in your books there you were given only 5 of them. And what were those 5 words? Those 5 words were why, where, when, who, and what. These are all W words, WH words. Whereas there are other question words also, which I have explained you. And those words are do, could, how, and how. Right? So lots of question words we have done today in the class. I hope you must have learned something. And please do your homework yourself. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. But don't forget to do it yourself, and don't forget to revise everything that we have done throughout the week. That is also a very important part of your homework. Okay, children? So bye bye. See you tomorrow.